So today we're going to use some raw shrimp that is peeled already. It's already peeled, and it enables us to fry these in this pan. And by fried shrimp, I'm not talking about putting breading on them like you get in a restaurant. Oh, those kind of shrimp where you buy breaded shrimp in a restaurant come from Cisco, and they come breaded from a factory, and they're just not, that's not what we do here. So we're going to take these raw shrimp and we're just going to fry these things in butter and salt and garlic. Now look, don't save butter on this recipe. Right? You don't need to be saving butter. Butter is cheap. I mean, no more than you're going to use.